The best time to put plants back outside. Tips and tricks for a healthy transition. As winter fades and warmer temperatures return, gardeners eagerly anticipate moving their plants back outdoors. However, transitioning plants from indoors to outside requires careful timing and preparation to prevent shock and ensure healthy growth. Here's everything you need to know about the best time to move your plants outside and key tips to keep them thriving. When to move plants outside. The ideal time to move plants outdoors depends on your local climate and the specific needs of each plant. Generally, follow these guidelines. Wait until the last frost date. Most houseplants and tender perennials should not be exposed to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Check your area's last expected frost date before transitioning plants outside. Gradual acclimation. Hardening off abruptly moving plants from a controlled indoor environment to fluctuating outdoor elements can cause stress. Start by placing them outside for a few hours each day in a sheltered, shaded location, gradually increasing exposure to sunlight and wind over a 7 to 10-day period. Monitor night temperatures. Even after the last frost, unexpected cold snaps can occur. If nighttime temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, bring plants indoors or cover them to protect against chilly conditions. Types of plants and their outdoor needs. Different plants have unique requirements when transitioning to outdoor conditions. Here are some common types and how to care for them. 1. Tropical plants. Examples: Monstera, philodendron, bird of paradise needs warm temperatures above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, indirect sunlight, high humidity. Tip: mist leaves regularly and place in a partially shaded area to prevent sunburn. 2. Succulents and cacti examples: aloe vera, jade plant, echeveria. Needs: full sun, well-draining soil, minimal watering. Tip: gradually introduce sunlight to avoid scorching. 3. Flowering perennials. Examples: geraniums, begonias, petunias. Needs: moderate watering, full to partial sunlight, occasional fertilizing. Tip: deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. 4. Herbs and vegetables. Examples: basil, mint, tomatoes, and peppers. Need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight, rich soil, and regular watering. Tip: keep herbs in pots for easy movement indoors if temperatures drop unexpectedly. 5. Low-maintenance outdoor plants. If you're looking for easy-to-maintain plants for your outdoor space, consider these options. Lavender requires little watering and thrives in full sun. Snake plant, tolerant to various conditions and needs minimal care. Zinnias, drought-resistant and bloom profusely with little attention. Hostas, thrive in shaded areas and require minimal upkeep. Marigolds, hardy, pest-resistant, and great for beginner gardeners. Tips for a smooth transition. To ensure your plants adjust well to their new environment, consider these essential tips. 1. Choose the right location. Place sun-loving plants in direct sunlight, but gradually expose them to full sun to prevent sunburn. Shade-preferring plants should be kept under trees, porches, or shade cloths. Protect plants from strong winds by placing them near walls or other wind barriers. 2. Repot and refresh soil. If plants have outgrown their pots indoors, consider repotting them before moving them outside. Refresh the soil with a nutrient-rich mix to provide essential minerals and improve drainage. 3. Water wisely. Outdoor conditions can cause soil to dry out faster than indoors. Water plants in the morning to prevent dehydration during hot afternoons. Be cautious of overwatering, especially during rainy periods, to prevent root rot. 4. Inspect for pests. Check plants regularly for pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Use natural remedies, such as neem oil or insecticidal soap, if pests appear. 5. Fertilize accordingly. Apply a balanced fertilizer to support growth, but avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to excessive foliage with weak stems. Use organic compost or slow-release fertilizers for a consistent nutrient supply. 6. Provide proper support. Tall or vining plants may need stakes, supports, or cages to support their growth. Keep an eye on fast-growing plants to ensure they don't become overcrowded. 7. Watch the weather. Sudden storms, extreme heat, or unexpected frosts can damage plants. Stay updated on the forecast and be ready to move or protect your plants if needed. Final thoughts. Transitioning plants from indoors to outside is an exciting step toward vibrant, healthy growth. By choosing the right time, gradually introducing plants to outdoor conditions, and following proper care techniques, you'll ensure your plants thrive in their natural environment. With a little planning and patience, your garden will flourish throughout the warm season. If you have any tips or tricks you would like to share, please leave them below, and please give us a like. It will help this channel. Thanks for watching.